Florida Keys today. We're gonna do some daytime fishing, and let's see how it goes. But before we start, we always gotta start with this. So let's see how today goes. We're only gonna be here a short time, so we'll see what we could do with maybe 4.5 hours of fishing. All right, let's get the fishing on. And there's my cousin, and he's been getting a couple of little mangrove snappers. It's early in the morning, he's already at it. I already have the chum out on the water. There you go, let me see if I can see it. Seem to see it from here. Oh, there it is. So the chum is out on the water. We got all our gear ready. Our stuff ready here. We're using some sardines or pilchards, and then we have the squid that he likes. And we'll start with that and see what happens. All right, let's go. Notice I'm always going to the same spot because they already know that it's right there. Although my chum is right underneath here. But look. There they go. I'm trying to take it. I probably took it already. Yep. You gotta be quick. If not, they'll take it. So, this is how I cut. This is my favorite piece right there, or the head piece. So, cutting the head piece, and then I do maybe one or two other pieces of the body of the pilchards. And I'll start with my favorite piece, which is the tail, and that's because it's harder for them to remove the tail part. All right, so let's start with that. All right, let's go. Notice I'm always going to the same spot because they already know that it's right there. Although my chum is right underneath here. But look. There they go. I'm trying to take it. I probably took it already. Yep. You gotta be quick. If not, they'll take it. Okay, so I'm going back to the same spot. See what happens here. Guys, I'm starting to see the gotcha. Oh, yeah, that's a little one. So, caught the first fish, mangrove snapper. Show you that. That's the first mangrove snapper, but it's kind of small. These need to be 10 inches, so I'm gonna let it go. Another one.
¿Dará la medida?
Let's see. Vamos a ver.
Yo creo que sí. Sacar. Suéltalo, ¿ve? Ah, pero esto es un ronco. No, no.
No, una mangrove snapper.
Coño, mira, tiene unas rayitas ahí también. 10.5. Está chiquito.
Casi 11, ¿no? Está bueno.
Lo llevamos.
Sí. Chócala.
Bárbaro, bárbaro.
So he's a happy camper. He's gotten 2 good ones. So we'll see how the day turns out.
¿Ya?
Mm-hmm. Hey guys, I caught one. Small little mangrove snapper. There it is. Small. It's a little baby. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like right there. See the shadow of it. I think it's coming up for surface. Yep, it's coming up.
Ya está todo cagado, ¿eh? Pero con malo. Ah, eso no tiene ni boca, güey.
Te lo robaste.
¿Eh?
Te lo robaste. Guys, so yeah, another beautiful day here on the Keys, and it's time to go. Everyone is already heading out. There's a few people still on the bridge. So yeah, tired and out of water. So it's time to go home. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Big Bite Bones, and see you in the next time. Oh, remember to please, if you seen this video for the first time and it's your first time at Big Bite Bones, if you could subscribe to the channel, appreciate it. Thank you.